Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many gamers, including you, might be wondering if their sleek Apple monitor can handle a powerful PS5. The answer is yes, and it's fantastic. Apple displays offer incredible resolution and color accuracy, making your games look absolutely stunning. Imagine your favorite PS5 titles, brought to life with that signature Apple brilliance, truly a visual upgrade for your gaming sessions. To connect your PS5, you'll first need a few key pieces of equipment. The most important is a high-quality HDMI to USB-C or HDMI to DisplayPort adapter, depending on your Apple monitor's inputs. Make sure this adapter supports 4K resolution and at least 60 frames per second for the best experience. And of course, a good HDMI 2.1 cable from your PS5 is essential for delivering that pristine video signal. Now for the actual connection process, it's quite straightforward. Take your HDMI cable from the PS5 and plug it firmly into the input port of your chosen adapter. Then, simply connect the adapter's output, either USB-C or DisplayPort, directly into the corresponding port on your Apple monitor. Once everything is securely plugged in, power on your PlayStation 5 and your monitor, allowing them to establish the new connection. After connecting, it's vital to optimize your settings for the best visual experience. On your PS5, navigate to Screen and Video Settings. Here, you'll want to select the highest resolution and refresh rate your Apple monitor supports, often 4K at 60 Hz or even higher. If your monitor and adapter support it, don't forget to enable High Dynamic Range, or HDR, for truly vibrant colors, making your games pop. Sometimes, you might encounter a minor hiccup, like a blank screen. Always start by double-checking all your connections and ensuring your adapter has power, if it requires any. Keeping your PS5 system software fully updated is also crucial for compatibility. For specific issues, especially with older Apple displays, an active adapter can often provide a more stable and reliable connection, ensuring a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.